Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you are someone who signs up for the free trials on websites like Netflix, Shopify, Adobe, or Gemini Pro, but you don't have a credit card and don't want to risk getting charged after the trial ends, this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get a free virtual credit card that you can use just for these trials. So virtual credit cards, or VCC, are temporary cards that you can generate online. They work like real cards for signups, but you can lock or delete them anytime. So companies can actually charge you later. In this video, I will show you how to get free virtual credit cards for free trials. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type free VCC online and hit enter. You can click the link in the description. If you can't click it, I will put the link in the comments from the results. Open a site that offers free virtual credit cards and tap on Get Your Free VCC Now. Next, tap on Register and fill in your details. Enter your email address and create a password. Once done, tap Sign Up and then tap OK to proceed. After creating your account, you'll be redirected to your credit card dashboard. Here you'll find your virtual credit card details that you can use for free trial signups. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. For more tech videos like this, catch you later.